Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka Nongthep vote hajla Meghalaya habaro artli ki constituency ka tura bat Shillong ka election Lok Sabha do ka por san baji janmen ka jinge poi thep vote ki brew ka jan kot sha ka nyau phau person yathu u Dr. BDR Tiwari CEO. Na kajing ay jing ken katnat election kajala kajing poi thep vote habaro hundru tali ki assembly constituency kajala hadu kapor san baji janmin kakot ya ka hundru khandai point khandai fuway person hashilong ki bala poi ben pendep ya kajing thep vote kalakot nyopo point 800 person kat bahatura kalakot ya ka hundru khandai point lai fuway person Ka NPP kabadon ha kabor sensyar kala penyeng kertong habaro artli ki constituency ka jilla ka Shillong batura. Kat ba kiseng riulum kilaya trailang hapo kalama jong ka RDA ban penyeng kertong nalor ka VPP. Ha kawe kaliang u Chief Electoral Officer ka jilla u Dr. BDR Tiwari layat ho ba ka election ban jiet iki MP Shalok Sabha ka bakhat pra kalayat bet bat klamdon kanu ka huri hura na gani ka benta jong ka jilla. Haba jubab ya gajing kelil ong bahalor gajing sapriang kadur balasyon ha gajaka thepvon na kaliang jong CEO la ong ba returning officer jongka One Shillong ST Parliamentary Constituency on sapet bale ya kabadon kam. La ong bakaan kadon batkin sale ya kabadon kam kat kum ki kendon ke blabo da ke election commission jangari India. Halor ki jing sha kan no kan sapet kar kum ki jing jabat ki kendon ki balabo da ka ECI hadin kata kan sale ya ka badon kam kat kum ki kendon.
So the total seizure, if we see the value, it is 11 crore and 10 lakh rupees. So out of that, in cash is 42 lakh and 58,000, and liquor is 44,009.46 liters, and its value is 74 lakh 89,000. Drugs, the quantity in grams is 1,24,285.61 grams, and its monetary value is 4 crore 18 lakh and 4,000. Precious metal so far no seizure, and freebies we receive the value in monetary term is 1.15 lakh, and other items having different type of the items, so it is having the total value of 5 crore and 74 lakh 17,581. So altogether 11 crore 10 lakh 85,948 rupees. This total seizure during the MCC period.
So this 42 lakh
And all the elections happen in very peaceful and very festive manner. In respect to the machines are concerned, so during mock poll, there were few machines have been replaced. So total 26 number of BU, 32 number of CU, and 64 number of VVPATs been replaced during the mock poll, and during the polling time the total replacement of BU is 21, CU 22, and VVPATs 55. So all together including mock poll and polling, total 47 BUs, 54 CUs, and 109 VVPAT got replaced, and all replacement happened well within time. So everywhere there is no land order problem, no any other incident, and all the election held very peacefully. There was the webcasting in 1886 polling station, so that has been monitored properly entire polling process, and so far we have not received any violence or any such incident. So So today's polling is gone very well, and we were yet to get the final figure when the presiding officer's diary and all the tally will be completed. So final figures will be communicated accordingly to all the media person subsequently. So thank you all of you for all your cooperation, support, and as teamwork, so we become able to conduct these elections very smoothly and peacefully. Thank you.
So, in how many polling stations till?
To inform you that elections for 18th Lok Sabha is being completed very peacefully, and election has been conducted very smoothly. So till 5 p.m., whatever tentative report which is yet to be finalized, and there were a number of people still in queue. So the figure is 69.91% overall voting, in which Silang PC having 70.26% polling, and Tura having 69.31% altogether. So assembly segment wise report will be shared in the media group for your information.